her intercepting my packages and harassing me. Ordered stuff.
What?
Yeah.
Who's harassing you?
You. What you ordered this time? What is this? Alright. So to celebrate 3 years with her, we're going away this weekend. We found a neat little Airbnb. It's not too far from the ocean because she likes to swim. The place looks pretty interesting, so we're going to go ahead and share that with you. And hopefully we'll have a good time. Yeah, we brought a lot of stuff because COVID ramping up, and then with it actually being, what is this, Labor Day weekend, everything's busy. So we got some steaks, we're gonna grill, bringing our own food, so should be a pretty good time. Yeah, first stop, the beach. See you in the water. Oh wow, we didn't see that coming. The state park is actually closed because it's full, supposedly. I don't know. But we're just going to go ahead and check into the Airbnb.
Mile, turn right onto County Road 283 South.
We're going to go check into the Airbnb, and we'll see you there. Alright, check it out. Here we go. Basic little kitchenette here.
She's there.
So it's nice. You got doors you can close off right here. A little beauty station for her. Talking to you. Oh wow, look at this bathroom. And here's the cool part. Come out here, and you got a pool, and I think that's a hot tub right there that splashes out. I'm not sure though. Yeah, there's jets. No, it's cold. But yeah, so this is a unit, that's a unit. This is, looks like it's for parties, and that's a property manager here. Oh, and this is our doors, which I think is locked. Yeah. So we got some chairs to sit out here. Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna unload the car. Yeah, just be you. Love you, honey. This here is the Gilligan's Island part of the property. What? Look, it's just a pond. It's just a pond. And somehow there's a boat in a landlocked pond with some life preservers floating. Okay. Makes no sense to me. We're gonna go over here. They got some cows. Cows.
Baby cows.
Oh, there's one cow. There's just one. One cow. Hey, Moo Moo.
It's a boy.
Moo. Moo. Excuse me, cow. Where's the donkeys? Look, he's got horns. That's gonna be a bull.
Isn't what I said? Because his penis sticking right there.
What's that got to do with anything?
That's why he's gonna be a boy.
Yeah, but you can't have a male cow that's not a bull. Said be careful on that deck. Look at that thing. It's in bad shape. Man, even the cross beams are freaking rotted. Jeez. Ow.
He beat you.
Something bit me. Well, I have a deck here, but I really need to put some work into this. So supposedly you can paddle out to the bay from here, if you dare. We still haven't found any donkeys. So that's really concerning. Like, the wood there is just rotted. Whole thing. They just need to rip this whole thing up. Oh, that cracked. Dinner is served. We brought the grill that we normally have for the RV. Look at that. We got mashed potatoes, gravy, corn, beans. The chef. Look, we did it. We've got my little travel kettle. We don't have an oven here, so we had to boil water for the mashed potatoes. We microwaved everything else and cooked everything on the grill. We're eating good for something that really doesn't have any kind of stovetop. Look at that. All right, guys, we'll try to find the donkeys tomorrow. We're gonna eat dinner, go to bed, and I gotta take her to the beach first thing in the morning, try to get there before the park is full and closes on me again. Good morning, everyone. Look what's cooking for breakfast. We got biscuits, gravy, we got some sausage, eggs. Look at that. We got the little travel burner. So you can make do in an Airbnb that doesn't have a kitchen. We actually have a full coffee maker that we're using this morning instead of the travel setup. I tell you what though, this is a good buy. The collapsible kettle. Look at that. And the AeroPress right here. Look at
Here's your biscuits and gravy, honey.
this. Look, biscuits made me biscuits. There you go, Sankey. I know you were dying to hear it. Yeah. This is her first time.
Stop it.
Popping one of these cans of dough. Ah, damn, I wish I had. Yeah,
Yeah, how funny.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, well, I don't eat that kind of food, so.
Obviously you do because you're cooking.
Yeah, for you, because you want gravy and biscuits or whatever heck you said. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Yeah. That's what you said.
I knew you were going to jump when that thing popped.
Okay.
That's funny. All right, there you go. That's the first time her using one of those.
Okay, honey. Enough.
Yeah.
Here you go.
My biscuits made biscuits.
Here you go, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look.
Look at this. We even got high dollar, transparent, clear forks. Eat breakfast with. All right. To the beach after this. All right, here we are. Her favorite place to be. She likes to swim. Not really anything I'm into. Not my thing. But here we are. I do it because this is what she wants to do. Alright, I tried to blow it up. I'm not sure how good that's going to come out. There's dolphins out there actually swimming not too far from where she's swimming. Now I kind of wish I was out there. I mean, I could get out there and swim, but I really don't have any swim shorts. I wasn't expecting to be in this busy of an area, so I thought if I'd swim, I would just swim in my boxers, but I'm not gonna do that here because they say like Hanes really big across them. It's kind of obvious, and there's like young girls over. So I'm not gonna do that. Dang, yeah, there's a freaking dolphin swimmer right there in front of her. All right, that's kind of cool. I'll give it that. Oh well. Just in case you missed my video on this, check it out. This is actually travel. It'll even go 220. The switch on the bottom will go 220 volt. So we'll have our kettle. And this is how we make coffee on the road. So this is a hand grinder. This is why we need a lid. That's how we make the coffee, the AeroPress. Too easy. Stir. And now you press. The difference between this and like a French press or something is that there's a filter in here so you don't get all that coffee stuff. But listen. Is there a filter? There you go. Now here your coffee maker. If you want espresso, just drink it like that. If you want Americano, fill it up. The cool thing is these ridges keep the cup cool so you can drink from here. And then this is the whole coffee maker. It all packs into itself. This is the lid. All these parts fit in here. And this is it. This is your whole coffee maker. Love it. I know we had steak yesterday, but this is the official steak for our anniversary dinner. Tomorrow I'll be prepping to head out for LS Fest when we get home. I got wash to do, I got some stuff to ship out for eBay, and we're gonna see you at LS Fest. Happy anniversary. So I hope everyone had a safe, happy Labor Day. If you're here in the U.S., I'm not sure if there's any comparable weekends in other countries out there, but this weekend was Labor Day, celebrating the workers, so it's kind of like a long weekend for a lot of people, so there's a lot of people at the beach. So I hope everyone had a safe weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video of our Labor Day beach getaway slash anniversary video. This isn't how I planned on ending the video. I wanted her here, I wanted to hold her, tell her how much I loved her and admired her. I said it before in the other video. I mean, this woman came here from another country, a few bucks in her pocket. She worked cleaning hotels, restaurants, anything like that she didn't really need to speak a lot. She learned the language, she went to school, got a job, she bought a house, she earned her citizenship before we ever met. I mean, that's a tough thing. Think about if you were to uproot yourself to another country, you don't even speak the language. Most people won't even travel out of their own state or within, maybe within the country. A lot of people won't travel out of their country. She up and moved. I mean, that's friggin' intensely brave. She is like one driven, motivated woman, and that's what I love about her, man. She doesn't need anybody to take care of her. Cause trust me, she lets me know all the time. Yeah, I love her a lot, man. She's beautiful. She's very intelligent, very driven. Hard to keep up with sometimes. But yeah, so it was 3 years now with her, so it's been a good 3 years. Been a great 3 years. And I got to get this video up because I am leaving for LS Fest, and she's going to work tomorrow. So I kind of wanted to film something when we got home, and we kind of got sidetracked, and I forgot she was going to work, and then she was off the bed. So you guys got to look at this pretty face to end the video. Alright, my game plan for LS Fest, I should have a video out Friday night. That's my game plan. I'm leaving here Thursday, driving up to Kentucky. There's something I want to check out that'll be should be another video if I get there. It's a cool thing I want to go see, but that's not going to be the focus of it. LS Fest, I'm going to go there Friday to film. I'm going to try to get the video out Friday night for you. Saturday, I want to do a live stream. I'm going to try to set up, the GoPro's supposed to connect via the app. My problem is, like your Google account that you log into YouTube with, I have two accounts. I have that old Vetruski, remember the Vetruski L to the W thing flipped? So that channel's still there. I renamed it L to the W, that way if anybody tries to find my channel, they find that, and I have that video there explaining how it got deleted. That the new channel is that Ruski Travels, which has the 8,000 subscribers, and I'm terrified of deleting it. So the GoPro's connecting that, but there's supposed to be another way to do it. Worst case, I can probably live stream off my cell phone, so I want to try to live stream. That's my game plan. I'm going to try to live stream the event Saturday for an hour or two. We'll see how that works out. Hopefully we'll see Josh. Definitely be seeing KY Chevy out there somewhere, so that's the game plan. Now it's just going to be, what car am I going to take? Alright everyone, like, shares, comments appreciated. Links down below. Check out some discounts. If you shop at Amazon, please go through my store. I greatly appreciate it. It all helps the channel. It helps fund these trips to Kentucky and stuff like that, because they're not free and it's not cheap. Alright, definitely appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.